Good morning, my dear friends. How are you? I'm Hemant Leja, banking and financial sector coach and facilitator. Now we are going to complete this video, this session regarding what is the banking and finance sector and how can we enter into this sector. So let me deep dive to all these things with all of you. So this is I'm going to share my screen so that we can learn step by step. Yes, my screen is visible to all of you. It's great. So this is the BFSI Career Academy run by me and for all the graduates who are going to become a certified professional into banking and finance sector. So when we going further, this is all about BFSI, banking, financial services and insurance. This is the full form of BFSI. So what is your professional knowledge? What is your personal knowledge? It depend upon that key in which industry you are working. So what is the main message into this? If you have the knowledge and if you are going to become a certified in banking and finance sector domain, then you will enable you to get access to a leadership level job role in the field of finance in banking and finance industry. So it is much required. You need to acquire professional knowledge to enter this industry. Second one is that when you are going to become a BFSI professional, then it is one of the biggest demanding job in the recent time. How many of you believe that? And how many of you want to join banking and finance sector? This is your dream job. Yes or no? Please tell me in chat box. Either you are looking into YouTube, either you are looking into Facebook, in any other social media. Go through the description. I am sharing their link only. And what next? When we are talking about the skills required into particular banking and finance sector, then all BFSI industry are required skilled and job ready manpower to comply with the industry. Why so? Because no industry is going to give you such a deep training in their cost so that their business hampered. So what to do? And before joining in any banking and finance sector industry, you need to upskill yourself. You need to prepare your mindset. You need to ready with your tool set so that you can deliver the result for productivity for the organization and for yourself. And but what? This is the main hack in this banking and finance sector. This system is a very comparatively complex in the nature. Why? Because as a fresh graduates, as a fresher or as a non-domain industry, you need to understand what is the complexity nature involved in the business, in the your job role. So you need to very clarify how to crack the code. But there is a no big deal. You can crack the code very easily through what? Through becoming a certified BFSI professional. And what is the core area to become to BFSI sector professional? This is the simple things we are going to talk about in a upcoming time or upcoming slide in this video. So this is a very demanding role, and day by day, like finance, like sales, like operation, like collection and administration, telecaller, many verticals available for you for as a banking and finance sector professionals. So initiating a career in banking and finance sector also provide a platform to understand and learn about basically three or four main things, that is banking law, data analysis, and business operation, how to do the business for your career development and for the organization. So when we talk about the career in banking, there is a start with loan officer, investment officer, auditor, insurance professionals, tellers, and many of them are listed. But if you are going to aspire job seeker, then there is also expected to remain relevant in times to come in jobs. And if we are talking about the other than job, if you are a entrepreneur mindset, then definitely you are going to run a DSA of any banking and finance sector industry in a business as an entrepreneur. So when we are talking about to step to banking career, there are the many companies into BFSI. As of now, there are more than 38,000 companies are working in India, but you cannot enter PSU, you cannot enter private sector as a just graduate, as a just postgraduate. You need to upscale yourself. You need to acquire some kind of a skill so that the company will acquire you and hire you. So when we are talking about the public sector, you need to give competitive exam, you need to give interview and all these things. But when we talk about the private sector, you need to cover your aptitude test and group discussion, personality is more than enough. So it is very easy to enter a private banking and finance sector job. When and this is the main subject, finance consultant group, and offering by our career academy. And apart from this, this is the course bundle, and along with this, you have to provide all this subject: sales skill blueprint, finance product blueprint, home loan system, mortgage loan system, personal loan system, business loan system. Which is better, overdraft facility or cash credit facility? You need to cover this into system. Document checklist blueprint, financial terminology blueprint, customer profile blueprint, legal documentation of property, property valuation system, application process blueprint, legal and technical process blueprint, personality development blueprint, and MIS and data management blueprint. This is all offered by our BFSI Career Academy. And for further, if you need any information, if you want to more, then please contact this number and connect me to www.bfsicareeracademy.com or www.hemantlaheja.com. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon. Thank you.